Hey guys, and welcome to WordsAtScale. So people have been going crazy over Perplexity and Claude, and I've decided to record another video with unique possibilities of Perplexity as it pertains to SEO. But first, let me clear something up once again. So you can use Claude within Perplexity, and it is the same good old Claude, but it will produce shorter output. It is connected to internet, so it's factual. But if you are interested in just pure copywriting and writing long form copy, Claude, original Claude and Claude Pro will be. So the first use case is when you click on the magnifying glass, you can choose Reddit. And you know that I like Agility Writer, and say I'm trying to improve my review with testimonials. So I can source Reddit and say, give me 5 real users' opinions about Agility Writer. And this will scan Reddit and in fact produce the testimonials. So Reddit user recommends Agility Writer is the best long-form AI content. Another user links to a thread where users say they love Agility Writer, tried various AI writers and found that Agility and ZWriter produce really good content. And another user tested all known AI writers and found Agility Writer to be the best. So this is a pretty neat way of generating real testimonials, not fake. You can even go to sources to check whether they are real. And I had already done that, so this is all accurate. And this is the first SEO use case. Another good use case, and we'll start a new thread. We'll use search across internet, find most relevant LSI keywords and entities for the seed keyword of CanDocs Itlangen. And now it's sourcing all of the top ranking pages and it's giving me a list of LSI keywords and entities. So entities are Longan, docs, vitamin C, fiber, saponin, sugar, and so on. And I can rewrite the prompt asking it to give me a more detailed outlook on this. But in principle, this works very well. Third use case. So if you following me, you know that I sometimes like to create my articles from YouTube videos because I feel that the content this way is more unique and there is less competition. So I can go to focus mode, choose YouTube, and ask the following: give me an article outline using Roman letters 1 to 10 about Agility Writer based on YouTube videos. Now it's considering 8 sources. Oh, there are quite a few of my videos here. Okay, continue. So this one is mine, this one is mine, this one is mine. Nice. Okay, and this is the outline. Intro, key features, content quality, SEO optimization, workflow integration, output formatting, customization. Limitations, pricing, conclusion. Beautiful. And you can now use a very simple prompt like use markdown formatting, bullet words, list and tables, and write about section 6, for example. So this is use case number 3. And use case number 4 is probably the best out of all. So you know that Google sometimes issues recommendations and reviews. The most famous one of the late is Google Search Review Guidelines. So this document here, how to write guidelines, and what I did, I just copied it and saved it as a PDF. And again, I have an article about Agility Writer, which is ranking between first and second position usually. So this one here. And what I can do is use the source, which is now, I'll use search across the entire web, but I will include the file, which is write high quality reviews by Google. And the prompt is going to be read trickmenot.ai Agility Writer review and assess against the guidelines in a PDF. And let's see what happens. And this is golden, guys. And I have Copilot on. Sometimes it helps, sometimes it's not very helpful. But oh well, you can turn it off anytime. So based on the provided search results, here's an assessment of the article against the guidelines in the PDF. Strength of the articles provides a detailed overview, compares Agility Writer to top AI writer tools like Surf and Autoblogging. This is true. Includes exclusive coupon codes. Yes, I have a 15% discount. Has a positive tone, uses headings, lists, images. Areas of improvement: could provide more quantitative data and metrics. Could go more in depth on the specific SEO optimization features. The article is focused only on Agility Writer. The guidelines recommend covering comparable alternatives. Does not include much criticism. Does not cite sources with index. The guidelines recommend citing search results used. Overall, the article provides a helpful overview of Agility, but could be improved by adding more data-driven comparisons, critical analysis, citations, and coverage of alternatives. Okay, now I can just ask, okay, now score the review from 1 to 10 based on the above. Based on the assessments of strength of and areas for improvement, I would score the Agility Writer review article a 6 out of 10. And these are areas for improvement, so I'd better get to it. So, there you have it, guys. 4 unique ways of using Perplexity and Claude for SEO. And my favorite is the latest one. Hope this video was helpful. Like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time.